how to adjust the color tuner on your Devant Smart TV. And okay guys, you'll have to do is in your remote, press the menu button and go to settings. In settings, go to picture. In picture, go to picture mode settings. In picture mode settings, scroll down and find the expert settings. Okay, go to this and now you can see the color tuner. In color tuner, you can adjust the hue, saturation, and brightness. Okay, you'll have to do is go to color tuner and you can adjust this color tuner. So you can set the color into green, blue, yellow, cyan, magenta, pristone, red, green, blue. So okay, so for example, I set the color tuner into magenta. And the hue, you can adjust this by go to this and adjust to the right or to the left. For my example, I set into 3. And also you can adjust the saturation. Okay, go to saturation and set into 9. And also the brightness. Okay, you can adjust this by go to brightness, and for my example, I set into -2. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully adjusted the color tuner on Devant Smart TV.